Welcome to the Caliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the error code 403 on Roblox. Now, this error code mainly happens due to authentication fail. So, if your authentication is failing, you might get this error. And to fix it, what you have to do is just go to your search bar and type run and just open up run from best matches. Then in here, just type app data, that is APPDATA, app data, and then just click on OK. And after clicking on OK, you'll find local and local low as well as roaming. You have to go inside local. And after that, just search for Roblox in here. And after you find Roblox, just right click on it and click on delete. Just completely delete this from here. Then just go back to app data again. Then just go to local low. And in here, you might see a file called Roblox settings or RBX settings or something like that. If you do find a file with Roblox settings like that, just delete it. And after that, just close all this. And after that, just go to search again and search for add or remove program. Then just open up add or remove program for best matches. Just maximize this. Then in here, just search for Roblox. And from here, make sure to install Roblox Player as well as Roblox Studio, everything related to Roblox from here. And after that, just go ahead and restart your PC and reinstall Roblox, and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix error code 403 on Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.